Today is the perfect day to be happy.
Yes. Bakit mahal palagay mo?
Hello
Hello
guys!
guys!
Ayan, nakita nyo ba yung nakasulat sa dingding? Today is the perfect day to be happy.
Yes. Bakit mahal palagay mo?
Because we've got our first 1,000 subscribers, guys.
Yes, sa YouTube.
Yes, YouTube. No?
It's a great achievement.
Yes, it's a milestone for us, guys. No, nakuha tayo ng 1,000 subscribers on our first 2 months. First 2 months pa lang, guys. Nakakatuwa yung yung bilis ng growth ng account natin. And sana mas marami pa tayong ma-reach na subscribers or viewers, no? And I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa mga pinopost namin mga videos, no? Medyo lang guys, minsan matagal lang kami mag-upload. Kasi syempre may mga other things din kami ginagawa and pero we will try to make it our best na mas makapag-upload ng mas madalas for you guys. So, mukha kaming haggard ngayon, no, guys? So, kasi kaka-out lang namin sa work. And today pala is August 4. Yan. August na, guys. Ang bilis ng panahon.
At saka magandang birthday gift yan sa asawa ko, yung 1,000
Yes.
subscribers sa
Yes, guys.
YouTube.
Yes, it's a very thankful na gift na naka 1,000 kami, no, in the first I would say 60 plus days, mga ganyan, no. So very happy na may mga tayo, supporters tayo or viewers tayo na nagsusubscribe sa channel natin, and we're so very thankful sa inyo guys. Without you guys, hindi namin magagawa to, hindi kami magkakaroon ng parang what do you call this, inspiration, guys. You guys are our inspiration in all of this. Gusto namin nakapag entertain, nakapag-share ng aming mga travel, ng aming journey, experiences, just anything under the sun, guys, na sa tingin namin may share namin sa inyo and pwedeng makatulong din sa inyo, guys, no. But most of the time, guys, mas mas leaning towards kami na makapag-share sa inyo about our life experiences and travel. Yan. Kasi kami ni Mrs. talagang actually nagsimula lang kami mag-travel siguro before pandemic, no? Sa ako 2018, back in 2018. So before, mga travels lang namin is dito locally, no, sa Boracay, Cebu, Bohol, Palawan. And then eventually, nag-start kami mag-travel ng international around 2018. Then yun, doon nagsimula yung passion and love namin for traveling, guys. And we're just getting started. Hopefully, no? Sana mayroon pang mga sumunod na travels natin, guys. We still have some travels na parating. We won't spill anything muna sa ngayon, but hopefully matuloy sila, no? We're just trying to work out some things and we're looking forward to those travel, guys.
And share din naman natin yun.
Yes. We'll definitely share it with you guys. Pati yung mga experiences namin from getting visas on those travels, no, guys. So so we're just very thankful again, guys, sa opportunity na nag-subscribe kayo sa amin. I know we're gonna try our best na mas makapagbigay pa ng more informative vlogs and mas maging entertaining sa inyo. Ayan. We're just so happy na nung nakita ko, guys, yung 1,000 followers. Parang the feeling is surreal. I know hindi siya ganun pang kalaking number, no? Pero parang for me,
for a good start
Yes,
for
yes.
us as hindi naman, kumbaga, hindi tayo full-time vlogger, pero this is our para sa akin, hindi lang tayo yung nag-e-enjoy eh. I hope nakaka-share din kami ng happiness and a
Good
bit
vibes.
good vibes to all. And we're just trying to dinadala namin kayo sa kung saan kami nandoon. And then, to give you a quick background, mahilig kasi kami sa Piso Fair. Piso Fair is the key, guys.
Yan.
So, kung walang Piso Fair, it won't be possible for us to travel multiple times.
Yan. Mahilig kami guys mag-avail ng mga seat sale. Yan. So, pag may mga seat sale, we grab the opportunity syempre kasi mas mura talaga guys.
Ang laki.
Ang laki ng difference, no? So, hindi naman tayo, alam mo yun, hindi naman kami sobrang well-off ni Mrs. para makapag-avail ng mga ganong travel, no? But, when those opportunity comes, yung mga seat sale na ganyan, we take the opportunity na makakuha. So, medyo puyatan lang, pero it's worth the wait naman. Once
Yes.
nakabook ka ng travel.
Patience is a virtue talaga.
Yan. Patience is the key, sabi nga, di ba?
Oo, isipin mo, 12 o'clock pa lang. Intay-intay tayo. Loading.
Nakaabang na tayo, guys.
Tapos makakabook mga average na 3 a.m. No, diba? Grabe guys. Kaya magre-recharge muna kayo bago kayo magbubook.
Be sure na nakapagpahinga muna kayo. Kasi talagang mahirap din. But luckily may mga ganun, no? So we're very thankful din sa kay Cebu Pacific yan. Cebu Pacific, thank you very much for offering those kinds of sale, no? Seat sale ninyo. So ayan, nakakapag-travel kami because of your seat sales. Ayan, and looking forward for more seat sales and travels abroad. Ayan guys. So, just to share to you guys yung reaction ko, nakita ko yung 1,000 followers. Kasi, to be honest guys, mula nung nagsimula ako sa YouTube, parang panay ang tingin ko sa kanya, panay ang, monitor ko dun sa numbers. So, natutuwa ako kasi umaangat siya, no? Umaangat. Pero, I didn't thought na ganun ko siyang kabilis or namin pala ma-achieve yung 1,000 subscribers. And so,
Hindi mo pa yan nasi-share sa Facebook.
yes. Well, ang platform pa lang namin ngayon currently guys is when it comes to our long videos, dito talaga sa YouTube. Then we also have TikTok, which is Isa Enter. So, check nyo na lang yung link namin or yung bio page namin guys. Nandun yung TikTok link namin. So, wala pa kaming Instagram and Facebook account for our videos, no? So, currently YouTube lang and TikTok pa lang yung aming platform. Sa TikTok, medyo malaki yung followers natin doon guys. I think we're around 10,000 plus na guys on TikTok. Yes. Yan. So ayun guys. So I'm just very happy, or we're very happy rather na nakakuha kami or na-achieve namin yung 1,000. So very happy na nag-subscribe kayo sa amin guys. And hopefully sa aming other viewers, don't hesitate and hopefully kayo, subscribe kayo sa amin. Ayan. Ikaw ba, asawa, kung nakita mo yung 1,000 subscribers natin, ano yung na-feel mo?
Parang nagulat ako kasi kumbaga ang naiisip ko lang, this is our pastime, outlet, pero meron din palang nakaka-reach and nakaka-touch tayo ng time ng bawat tao, nare-reach niya ng malayong mga range of people. So I'm so happy and glad na in our little way, nakaka-touch tayo ng life of every people sa 1,000, di ba?
Yes. Yun, guys. We're so very happy lang din. And hindi namin, I cannot imagine na gawin tong video na to para magpasalamat sa inyo guys for
Very
subscribing.
thankful kami.
Yes, so we're very thankful din na ayun nga na we've reached this milestone with you guys. Syempre, hindi lang ito win for us, it's a win for our viewers and subscribers as well. Syempre, without your support,
It
we
won't be
would
possible.
yes, we won't be here. So it's all about you guys, no? And we're just very happy, no? So, ayun, yung ibang videos namin, guys, kasi nung nagsisimula ako mag-video noon, mga shorts namin, hindi wala pa kami masyadong mga kwento, no? So, we're just taking videos, no? So, if you check our shorts videos dito sa YouTube, medyo it's more of ano lang, the adventure. Pero yung mga next videos namin, long videos dito sa YouTube, you'll see more of us interacting on the video and showing to you and explaining to you guys the experience, the activity, the journey, the ups and downs, yung mga ligaw moments, no, yung mga, just everything, guys, no, no filter, everything raw, no. So, yun, we can't
More
wait,
detailed.
yes, and we can't wait to share more of those adventure and journeys namin with you guys. So, hopefully, mag-grow pa yung channel natin, guys. And again, thank you very much from the bottom of our hearts, guys. Yung talagang
From the bottom of my heart.
yes, yes. Ayun, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Ayun, and we'll end this video for now, guys. So, I hope you enjoy, guys. Again, thank you very much for your support and have a great one, guys. See you on our next video.